Hi guys, we're going to do a split on a vertical split hive today. And this is the hive here, so we'll get him down off here. This is a hive that my son split off a Ben Stiller hive last December. So I'm hoping it's ready to split. We'll just pull him all apart and see what's going on. Have a zoom in on there, Nick. So it looks like we've got a... It's big enough to have a go at. Geez, I got it stuck down well. Oh, bit of brood there on that.
Pretty cool, eh?
There we go, look at that, guys. Alright, so I think it's good enough to split, so we'll... Doesn't want to come apart. Now the deal is, we split the box. No, I don't want to take that one off if we can help it. I want to take this piece off.
You might need a going through there then, do you?
Just crack him underneath here.
Where are you putting it? Straight on in.
So there we go.
Crazy.
Pretty crazy looking, isn't that, eh? That one there. And if you come around this side and have a look at this one. This side's probably a little bit bigger than the other one. They've seemed to have built it a little bit off centre in the box. And that's what the hive looks like with nothing in it. Just a few support wires, stop it sagging, slumping.
Who built this box?
Well, Ben Stiller would have built the first half.
No, the shitty new one.
I've built the new one.
Ben Stiller. Isn't that an actor?
Kevin, sorry. What am I looking for? This. inspection panel on there. And we put
That stuff. Felt or something.
Come on guys, hop off.
What's the foam do?
That's the insulation. Help keep heat in and cold out and all that sort of stuff. Here we go. Right. Oh, got one in my ear biting like blazes.
There's a few in there.
Phew. Vicious little buggers when they want to be.
So what's the theory of doing it early in the morning?
Well, they're not as active. They're active enough as it is.
So if you did it during the day, they'd just be going everywhere.
They'd be going berserk, yeah.
Can they actually bite? Are these ones? Stinger?
They don't sting, they only bite. That flange I've got on there, I've taken that from one of Alex Derrick's ideas from Spice's Hollow Native Bees.
What's the theory behind that?
When I'm finished all this, I'll get a bit of propolis later on and I'll put a little ring of it around in there so they'll know where to come to. I'll start one this way on this one. You just slide that across to the middle. Yep. That's good. Yeah, not tight enough. That's better. Right, we'll pop this fella up here beside the other one. On this side of the post.
That's it, done.
Hey?
Done?
Yeah, that's it folks, all done.